Hi, my name is Angel Seleb. I'm a vision teacher, and this is Brandon Kozak. We are going to demonstrate how to use the Graphite program using a Braille Light and a Braille Blazer embosser. So, Brandon, first we're going to do is you have to turn on all your equipment. So you want to turn...
So first, now we need to turn the Braille light on first, right?
Yes.
Okay, so first we must turn on the Braille light.
Millennium 20 ready.
Good.
9 pages.
Okay, and now we must turn on the Braille Blazer while getting around all these wires.
And the power switch is a rocker switch on the back of the Blazer on the far right side as you're facing the front.
Yes.
Braille Blazer ready.
Okay. Good job. So now that you have it all on, we're ready to start. And we're going to go into the Graphite program.
So we do that by pressing O chord for option.
Okay.
And then we press F for the file name. And then in this particular case, you may have to do some different depending on whether it's the last file in your folder or not. But in this case, it is. So we press 4, 5, 6 chord to go to the end of the folder.
File number 56, Graphite.pns, 13 pages, external program.
And that is the file that we go into for the Graphite program.
Good.
So then from there we press O chord to open.
Graphite version 1.02, copyright 1996, Lazy Engineering Incorporated, all rights reserved. Registered to Gale and Caterham, serial number 00045, entry 1, nothing entered.
And that's a whole bunch of
Identifying information for the program.
Yes.
So we want to start out and enter an equation. So doing that, we do an E chord.
Yes.
Entry 1.
For entry 1.
Yes. And now all equations entered into Graphite must be entered in y equals mx plus b format.
Which is the y-intercept.
Slope-intercept
format. The first one we're going to do is we're going to graph a parabola.
Yeah.
Y equals x squared.
Yes, and now when you do this, there are to be no spaces between any terms. Thank you. Okay, so now we type in y, and now for the equal sign in Graphite, all equations must be entered in computer Braille notation. Please make note of that. And the equal sign in computer Braille notation is a full cell.
Dots 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes. But
good. No spaces involved. Okay, so you have y
equals.
And then we're going to do x squared.
X squared.
So you put in your x. And then a U chord.
Uppercase.
And then that's 4, 5.
Caret.
For the caret. And then a 2, a Nemeth 2. Good.
Yes. All numbers must be entered in Nemeth code.
Okay, now you have your equation in there. What do you need to do from there?
And then you need to press
E chord.
Oh, yeah, I can't.
I
was almost about to go to the P.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so now it's in there. And now to emboss
the graph, we press a B chord.
P chord.
What? Didn't I say a P chord?
It's all right. I'm just repeating.
In case they didn't understand.
That's right.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Running graph, period.
And now it's plotting the graph on the Braille Blazer.
Yes, and now it's printing.
This is probably not something you want to do in the middle of math class.
No, thank you, because the Braille Blazer would be way too noisy in math class.
Right.
It would definitely be a distraction.
Absolutely. That was the x-axis.
Oh. Oh, it was drawing the axis.
Yes. Axis.
Why do you always get on me for things like that?
It's a speedy process.
Yes.
All right, so to get the graph out, you need to advance the paper, which is the rocker switch on the left side of the machine. Keep going a little bit more. Okay, stop there. And we can tear it off. And then I can show you the graph here.
I want to hold it up so they can
Well,
see.
let's hold it this way.
Okay.
This is the graph. Okay.
This is the graph that we just made.
Y equals x squared. It's a parabola. Okay, so show me where the x-axis is. This program is a very handy tool for graphing equations. It allows you to have the same functions or similar functions as a graphing calculator, something a sighted person might use.
Yes, this is the x-axis.
That is the y-axis, actually.
Oh.
This is the x.
Oh. Yeah.
The x-axis goes along the short way of the paper,
Yeah.
horizontal.
This
The y is vertical.
Yes.
And the parabola starts in the upper left in quadrant 2, comes down to the origin on a diagonal, and then goes up to the right,
Right. And then quadrant 1.
ending up on the right side.
Yeah.
So you've just produced your first graph. Good job.
Thank you.